Hello everyone, welcome to Trimi Creations. Today we are going to be painting these three handis. I had these pots with me, so thought of painting them. First I am going to be painting a base coat. So for the first pot I am painting it with sap green as a base. So I am planning on making small flowers on this with finger. So for that I am putting chrome yellow and white. Make sure that they are separate because we need to take both of them together with the fingertip. Now when you are picking up the paint, you have to pick up in such a way that half of your fingertip is yellow and half is white, like this. And you need to rotate the pot when you are making it so that you can get that clear demarcation of white and yellow. If you want, you can just practice once on a piece of paper before starting it on the actual place, and then just continue to do it. If you feel it is getting smudged, please don't worry because you can rectify it again immediately. I wanted to fill up the place with small weeds sort of. So I am using this toothpick and making it with small dots in a group, which will give you that impression. It is completely option. You can even omit this step. For the center of the flower, I took the head part of the toothpick and I started making small dots. You can even use orange in this place. I did not have orange, so I am using burnt red for this center. And it's done. Same way I even painted a water bottle which is glass, and it has come out very well. So for the other two pots I wanted to make some traditional design, so I'm painting the base at the burnt red color, terracotta red. In the first one I'm making Varli painting. So I'm just making these figurines around the pot. With the toothpick I am making their heads. and with the thinner part of the toothpick I will be making the legs and the hands. So this is the second one done with Warli painting. Now with this one I am just making a random V-shaped pattern, and I'm using lemon yellow color for this. All the colors which I'm using I'll be giving it in the description box below. I am using a thick brush for this painting. If you want a thinner lines, you can use 0 number or 1 number brush. Just to add some final touches, I am making standing lines. ये उसमें